No more clickbait, guys.
No, this is not clickbait. Look, at all.
Like, it smells crazy. See in the camera, just come back and then wham. Alright, so I forgot to charge the camera, so that's probably the only clip you're gonna see with the camera. The rest probably gonna be shot on the phone. I'm sorry.
We gotta find a different spot just to get light. I'm gonna do it in the tunnel, bro.
Damn.
Look at this guy. How'd that make any sense? You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Any sense.
He about to swerve back over.
Try to launch this. You wanna try to launch this bitch real quick? Let's see.
Let's launch it, bro. Give him a little sign.
Let's see if it lets me.
Guys, I'm sorry, bro. I know I forgot to charge it, man. Nah, I was feeling that shit. She was just spinning.
Yo, Daddy, where you going? Somebody in the highway because we can race, but nobody want to race a messenger today, huh?
Pop, pop, pop.
You don't see a Mustang. See it?
Yeah.
See a Mustang want to play real quick.
You see it?
You see it?
Yeah, I see him.
I don't know if the VA or V6. Mustang.
said boom.
Hit the crowd real quick.
Oh.
He's trying to get sturdy, bro.
You're trying to get sturdy. Alright, get over. Get on the side. Get on the side now. He don't want to hit no crowds.
I think that's the best spot for the lighting. Do a burnout in there real quick. So I burn these tires off. I think that'll be fire. That's gonna be like my intro.
So we're gonna call the cops. Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Didn't like that at all, get it?
Sheesh.
Uh-oh, something happened.
Well, the tires weren't spinning.
Oh shit, now we're gonna get locked up.
Uh-oh.
Gotta cool down real quick.
Fuck.
Let it stay off real quick. Uh-oh. Hope I didn't break anything, bro. Yeah, if I broke something.
Yo,
No,
guys.
bro. I really hope it's just because it got hot. And that's it.
They want me to just cry.
Because if not, we're fucked.
No more clickbait, guys.
No, this is not clickbait. Look. At all.
Like, it smells crazy.
That's smoke, that's hard though. I caught a flat, some guy, crazy guy came. The car cooled down real quick. I think the transmission is cool. I mean, cops come, they were like, yo, what happened? I'm like, yo, we're taking pictures.
Perfect clickbait. We got the thumbnail. So,
I really hope it's a thumbnail, not actually something. Oh my God.
we really hope this is clickbait. Fuck. You gotta put your hands on your head.
Oh, yeah,
Like, fuck. You guys, no joke though. We probably gonna go to jail. We about to get hit. Out here in Mexico.
It didn't like that second gear, dude.
Well, you did that burnout in second?
Oh, it's saying it's hot. That's probably what it is. It's saying it's hot. Let it cool off. If the cops come, I'm just gonna tell them like, yeah, the car on. Yo, what the
Like-
fuck the key?
But yo, that shit didn't want to get into gear. I was just.
Oh, it's just taking pictures and shit.
But I don't know, my car stopped working. It's broken. You know BMWs. Then like, that wasn't us. That wasn't us
Yeah,
doing the
that
noisy
was-
noise.
That's it. No more video. This is gonna be the end of it, man. I think this car is toasted, bro. You're gonna have to stay tuned for the next video to see if it's running or not. But I'm pretty sure it's the transmission or axle broke. Something broke. Fuck it. It is what it is, man. We out here breaking shit.
Nice thumbnail though. Alright guys. I'm gonna turn off the camera because it's about to die. I'll turn it back on if cops come.